Hello students, today I will discuss about the chapter 9 of class 8 of mathematics, which is algebraic expressions and identities. So before starting this chapter, first of all we should know what is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Terms combine to form the expression. Terms combined to form terms combine to form expression. Okay. That is, if we combine the terms, then we obtain the expression. For example, 4xy plus 7z. This is known as the expression because here is 4xy is one term and 7z is another term. So this is term and 7z is also a term. And if we combine the terms, then we obtain the expression. So 4x plus y plus 7z is known as expression. So here are two terms. First one is 4xy and second one is 7z. And if we combine the two terms or more than two terms, then we obtain expression. Now come to the types of expression. Now come to the types of expression. First one is monomial. So what are monomials? What are monomial? Expression that contains only one term is known as monomial. Take one term. That is, in any expression, if only one term is present, then it is known as the monomial. For example, 7zy, comma 4x square, comma 10y. These all are the monomial because here are only one term is present. That is 7z1i, 7zy. This is one term. 4x square, that is another term, and 10y is only one term. So this is known as the monomial in any term. And do you know what is the term? Factors combine to form the term. That is, these are the factors. If we multiply the factors, then this is known as the term. That is, in 7zy, 7 is factor, z is also a factor, and y is also a factor. If we combine, if we multiply the factor, then we obtain the term, and if we combine the term, then we obtain the expression. Now one more thing you should know. What is coefficient and what is base and what is power? So if we take one term, that is 4x square, this in this case 4 is known as the coefficient, x is known as the base, and 2 is known as the power. So in any term there are basically three word is present. In any term there are basically three terms is present. One is coefficient, another is base, and last one is power. So here 4 is known as the coefficient. So we can say that the numerical value of term is known as the coefficient. The numerical value of any term is known as the coefficient, and the variable term is known as the base. The variable term of any term, the variable value of any term is known as the base, and the exponent of the variable is known as the power. Here is 2 is the exponent of x, so we can say that 2 is the power of these term. So you should know what is the coefficient, what is the base, and what is the power. Now come to the second type. Second one is binomial. Second one is binomial. The expression in which two terms are present is known as the binomial. For example, 7xy plus 9, 2z plus x, 9y plus या minus 2z. These all are the binomial because in all cases there are two terms present. One is 7xy and another one is 9. In this case, one is 2z and another is x. And in this binomial, one term is 9y and second term is minus 2z. So in all cases there are two terms are present. So we can say that these all are the binomial. Now come to the trinomial. Next one is trinomial. Third one is trinomial. What is trinomial? In any expression, if three terms are present, then we can say that this is a trinomial. For example, 7x minus 2y plus 1, 2x plus 9z plus y, 2 plus 5y plus z. These all are the trinomial because in this case 7x is one term, minus 2y is second term, and plus 1 is third term. So here are three terms are present. So we can say that this is the trinomial. In this case 2x is one term, 9z is another term, and y is another term. So here are three terms are present. First one is 2x, second one is 9z, and third one is y. So we can say that this is also a trinomial. Now come to this case. Here is 2 is one term, this is one term, 5y is another term, and z is also another term. So here are three terms are present. So we can say that this is also a trinomial. Okay. Now come to the polynomial. Next type is polynomial. Polynomial. What is polynomial? The expression in which one or more than one terms are present is known as polynomial. That is, if in any expression one term is present or two term is present or three terms are present, these all are known as polynomial. So we can say that monomial is also polynomial, binomial is also polynomial, and trinomial is also polynomial, and more than three terms. So we can say that if in any expression one or more than one expression are present is known as polynomial. So polynomial includes monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on. These all are polynomial. So in polynomial, monomial is also included, binomial is also included, trinomial is also included, and so on. Tetranomial, pentanomial, hexanomial. So all the monomial, binomial, trinomial, tetranomial, pentanomial, all are known as the polynomial. Now come to the next topic. Next one is like terms. What is like terms? In any term, what is like term? In any terms, if base and power are same, then we can say that these are the like terms. For example, 7x, 14x, minus 9x. This is one example. Second one is 7xy square minus 9xy square and 2 minus 2xy square. So these all are the like terms, because in this case base is x and power is 1. Base is x and power is 1. Base is x and power is 1. So these all are the like terms. And second one is, this is the second example. In this case base is xy square, xy, and power is 2. In this case base is xy and power is 2. And in this case base is xy and power is 2. So in these cases base and power are the same. So we can say that this is also a like term. This is one like term and this is another like term. So like terms, if terms have base and power same, then we can say that these all are the like terms. In this case base is x and power is 1. Base is x and power is 1. Base is x and power is 1. So these all are the like terms. In this case base is xy and power is x to the power 1 and y to the power 2. In this case xy power 1 and y to the power 2. In this also case x to the power 1 and y to the power 2. So in this case base and power both are same. So we can say that this is also a like terms. Now come to the unlike terms. What are the unlike terms? Next one is unlike term. So terms having different base and power is known as the unlike terms. For example, 7x square and 9x to the power cube. These all are the unlike terms, because in this case base is same but power is different. So we can say that these are the unlike terms. If terms have base, if terms do not have base same or do not have the power same, so we can say that these all are the unlike terms. Now come to the in unlike terms, base and power both should be different. If base is same, then power should be different. If power is different, if power is same, then base should be different. Any one of base or power should be different. Now come to the addition of algebraic expression. Addition of algebraic expression. How we will add the expression? For example, add 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. How we will add these two algebraic expressions? First of all, we should write like this: 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Now we have to add 9x minus 10 in 7x square minus 4x plus 5. So we will write plus 9x and minus 10. We should write as it is with plus sign. there is no need to change the sign. Write at it is whatever has been given. Like 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Now we have to add. So we will write plus and write 9x minus 10 as it is. There is no need to change the sign. Now write like terms is same. Now like terms को एक साथ लिखेंगे. We will place the like terms together. For example, 7x square, this is one term. 4x and 9x are the same because in 4x and 9x both base and power are the same. So we will write minus 4x with sign plus 9x. We will write the plus 9 here. Now plus 5 and minus 10. So I have written all the like terms together. So here is 7x square. There is no like terms of 7x square. So we have write only 7x square. Now 4x minus 4x and plus 9x. These are the like terms. So we have written like terms together. So minus 4x plus 9x plus 5 plus 10. Now 7x square minus 4x plus 9x. So here is base and power same. So in addition or subtraction, we will add or subtract the coefficient. So base and power both are same. So we will subtract minus 4 from plus 9. So here will be plus 5 now x and plus 5 minus 10, this will be minus 5. So this is your answer. So addition is, this is your answer of addition 7x square minus 4x plus 5 plus 9x minus 10. So this is the addition. Now come to the subtraction. Subtraction. Next one is subtraction. Subtraction. For example, subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3. Now we have to subtract this expression from this expression. So we will write the first expression after from. तो from के बाद जो expression है उसे हम पहले लिखेंगे. In subtraction we write the expression firstly which is present from the after the from. So from के बाद जो भी expression होगा उसे हम पहले लिखेंगे. तो 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y, and we will write the minus sign with itself. खुद से हम एक माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें माइनस करना, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. So we will place minus sign here after this expression. Now take a bracket and write all the expression in the bracket. This expression, that is 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Now open the bracket. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. This is minus, this is plus, minus plus minus. This is minus, this is plus, plus minus minus plus 4y square. This is minus, this is plus, minus 6y. Minus into minus, that is plus. Now place all the like terms together. So here is 7x square. Here is also minus 5x square. Now plus 8y square plus 4y square. Now 5x minus 6y, then minus 4xy plus 3. So I have placed all the like terms together, that is this, that is there, and this is all unlike term. Now this will 2x square, this will be 12y square, and this will be plus 5x minus 6y minus 4xy or plus 3. So this is your answer. If you subtract 5x square minus 4y plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y plus 5x minus 3, then you will get this answer. So you should remember, in subtraction write the expression firstly present after the from. तो फ्रॉम के बाद जो एक्सप्रेशन होगा उससे पहले लिखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल प्लेस माइनस साइन इटसेल्फ, खुद से हम माइनस साइन लगाएंगे. उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में फ्रॉम के पहले की डिजिट को लिखेंगे. देन ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, उसके बाद लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ रखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट व्हाटएवर इज गिवन. So this is the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Now come to the multiplication. Now come to the multiplication. ठीक, तो फर्स्ट वन इज मल्टीप्लाइंग टू मोनोमियल. तो पहले केस में मल्टीप्लाइंग टू मोनोमियल. इफ वी हैव टू मोनोमियल, देन हाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. फॉर एग्जांपल 5x into 7x, 5x and 7x square. We have to multiply 5x and 7x square. So 5x into 7x square. Just multiply the coefficient and also multiply the base. For example 5x into 7x square, to multiply the 7 into 5, that is 35. And in multiplication you already know, if base is same then power will be added. So here is base x, here is also base x, then power will be added. So 35x to the power 3, because here power of x is 1 and power of x is 2. So in multiply, if base is same, then we will add the power and we will multiply the coefficient. So in this case multiply the coefficient, that is 7 into 5, that is 35, and its base is same, x into x here, x here, then power will be added to 2 and plus 1, here will be x to the power 3. So this is the multiplication of this. Now second case, multiplying 3 or more than 3. If we have 3 polynomial, 3 monomial, 3 or more than 3. For example 2x into 5y into 7z. So we have to multiply 3 or more than 3. So concept is same, you have to multiply the coefficient. So here is coefficient 2, 5, 7, 5 2 is 10, 10 7 is 70. Now multiply the base. So here are in all the monomial, base is different. So you will not add the power because base is different. Just multiply it, x, y, z. So this is your answer. If base is same, then you can add the power, but here is base is different, so you will not add the power. Just multiply all these bases, that is x into y into z. So this is your answer. Now come to the next point. Next one is multiplying a monomial by trinomial. Multiplying monomial by a trinomial. You have to multiply a monomial by a polynomial, not trinomial, polynomial. Polynomial can be monomial, dinomial, polynomial. ठीक, तो by a polynomial. So you have to multiply a monomial by any polynomial. Polynomial can be monomial, can be binomial, can be trinomial. So you have to monomial. For example, if monomial is 2x and polynomial is 2x plus 5. So you have to multiply 2x into 2x plus 5. So 2x into 2x plus 5. So in this case, you should multiply both the terms of polynomial by the monomial. For example, you have to multiply 2x into 2x. That is, here will be 2 to the 4, x into x, x square. Now multiply the 2x by 5 also. With sign, you have to remember the sign. You have to concentrate on sign also. Now firstly you multiply 2x into 2x, that is 2 to the 4, x into x, x square. Now multiply the 2x by 5. So 2 5s are 10. Here plus sign, here plus sign. So here will also be plus sign, plus plus plus. So 2 5s are 10x. So this is your answer. Okay. Now we take any trinomial. For example, 2x and 4x minus 7y minus 10. Now you have to multiply 2x into 4x minus 7y minus 10. For example, so 2x into 4x minus 7y minus 10. Now multiply this monomial into all the terms of this polynomial. You have to multiply this monomial by all the terms of this polynomial with sign. You have also concentrate on the sign. So firstly multiply 2x into 4x. This is plus, this is also plus. So plus 8x square. 4 2s are 8, x into x, x square. Now 2x into minus 7y. So 7 to the 14, plus into minus minus 14. Now x into y, 14xy. Now multiply 2x into 10. So plus into minus, minus. Here is minus, here is plus. So minus, plus into minus, minus. Now 2 10 the 20 and x is also. So this is your answer. So this is the multiplication of a monomial by any polynomial. Now multiplying binomial by any polynomial. Next one is multiplying binomial by any polynomial. Then what is the rule? For example, this is binomial and you have to multiply it by any polynomial, that is 7x minus 2y plus 10. You have to multiply this. So how we will multiply it? 2x minus 5 into 7x minus 2y plus 10. Now you have to multiply all the terms of binomial with all the terms of polynomial. So first you have to multiply 2x by 7x, 2x by 2y, 2x by 10. Then after that you have to multiply 5 with 7x, 5 with 2y and 5 with 10. With sign, you have to also remember the sign of all the term, and you have to also multiply the sign of the term. For example, if first we will multiply the 2x by all the terms of this polynomial. So 2x into 7, that is 2 7 the 14, and x into x, that is x square. Next one is 2x into 2y, that is plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4 xy. Now 2x plus 10, that is 10 to the 20, and plus 10 into 2, 20x. Now you should also multiply the 5 with all the terms of this polynomial. Then minus 5 plus 10, so minus 35x. Now minus 5 minus 2y, that is minus into minus plus, and 2 5s are 10y. Now minus into plus, minus, or 10 5s are 50. So this is the rule. You have to multiply all the terms of binomial by the all the terms of another polynomial. Now place all the like terms together. This is 14x square. This is 20x minus 35x. This will be minus 15x. Now this is plus 10y. Now this is minus 4xy, and after this minus 50. So this is the answer of the multiplication of this binomial by this polynomial. So this is the rule. Now come to the last topic of this chapter. This is identities. Now come to the last topic of this chapter, which is standard identities. Standard identities. So what is identity? Identity is an equation in which all the value of variable is follow. That is, if we take a plus b whole square, that is, this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. If we put the any value of a and b in this equation, then we find the LHS is equal to RHS, that is left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So all the value of a and b will follow here, and after putting the value of a and b, any value, if after putting the any value of a and b, we will find the left hand side equal to the right hand side. For example, if we take a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, then we will put a equal to 2. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So this is 5 square, that is 25. If we put a value of a and b here also 2 and 3. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3. So here is the 4 plus 9 plus 12. And after adding we will also find 25. So here is LHS is equal to RHS. So identity is that equation in which all the value of variables follow, and after solving we will find LHS, that is left hand side equal to the right hand side. So this is known as the identities. So here are a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is known as the identity. Some more identities are given. First one is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is first. Now second identity, a minus b whole square. This will a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now next one is, next identity is a plus b, a minus b. this will equal to the a square minus b square. Now next identity is x plus a, x minus b. This will be x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. This is another identity. So here are in your syllabus only 4 identities has been given. First one is a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one is a minus b whole square. This will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one is a plus b, a minus b. This will be a square minus b square. And last one is x plus a into x minus b. Then this will be x square plus x, a plus b plus x plus ab. So here are 4 identities which is in your syllabus of class 8. Some more identities are also, but you have not to study. In your class only 4 identities you have to study. Now question based on this identity has been given in the exercise. So your work is do all the questions of class 8 of chapter 9, which is algebraic expression and identity. Do all the exercise. Thank you.